Exciting news for Ego mower owners this season. We are in the striping game because Big League has made a kit for the Ego mower. I know they have a video out. You can go out to YouTube and watch how they put this kit on, but I figured I'd show you how I do it. It's gonna be a little bit different than how they do it, so let's get to it. So unfortunately, unlike them, I don't have a table to put my mower on, so I'll be doing it right here on the ground. One thing I want to point out that I know is very different in the video, they actually walk you through assembling this piece here, but I don't have to do that because they sent it fully assembled with everything on it. So take note of that. Between my video and their video, I will not be assembling this. There's no point in taking it apart. They have a video showing you how to put it together, so head over there if you want to see that. But it looks like they shipped them out with it already assembled. So I'm working with a 9/16 socket and a 3/4 inch wrench. I'm just going to use the adjustable. It just makes it easier for me. So those are all the tools that I'm going to need here to get started. So I took the little hook off here to make it easier for me to just flap it here. Pop this on. Tighten that up. I'm going to move it down just a little bit. I use the Allen key. And then tighten this up. I realize I have the height adjustment on 3, which is going to be the lowest that you can really put it on with this kit on. So it actually does fit right in there. Pretty tight. Now I have flipped the mower back over and I'm gonna complete the final step.
You don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna rub me up, I'm holding back. Trying to get me framed, throw me in cuffs. Said I attacked you.
Well, that was pretty freaking easy. I say that because I also have a kit for my Toro mower, and let me tell you, it was not easy getting that kit on that mower. I did, but it wasn't easy. But this sucker's on and it was quick, fast. I can't wait to give it a try. Obviously the grass is not growing right now, so I can't cut it. But what I can do is run it over the grass a couple times to check the weight, see what I'm getting here. Think I should do it? I think I should do it. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, that looks good, even on dormant grass. I did want to mention that you cannot stow the mower with the roller on it. It's just too much weight. So I would suggest taking just the roller off, not the brackets, and then you'll be able to stow it with no problem. I wanted to talk a little bit about why this roller is preferred over my DIY kit that I have. And it's really simple, honestly. This kit comes with a roller that is 22 pounds. In my DIY kit, I was really only comfortable putting about 8 pounds in there. And the connection points of the DIY kit would have eventually created some wear and tear. Here, I'm not concerned about that. And a heavier roller is gonna create more defined stripes, so it just makes sense. Ego mower owners, you are in the game. With this, you are in the game. It's just a couple things that I want to point out, reiterate, is that this is a striping kit, so the turns are going to be tough, but that's the case with all kits. The other thing is you do have to keep your height adjustment at 3 or above. It's fine with me because I don't cut my grass any lower than 3 anyway, so if that's an issue for you, this is not the kit for you. But if you're at 3 or above, do it, do it, do it, do it. Hey, this is a game changer and we all know it. The 2022 striping contests are gonna be insane. I cannot wait to see some of the lawns that we're gonna see now. So all of these striping contests that are out there, now the Ego Mower owners are gonna be a part of it, and we're gonna have some fun. If you own an Ego Mower and you wanna get in the game, get in on all of these contests, win some things, there you go.
I find you there. I find you